Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Leopard Gecko Kit is probably one of the most comprehensive and convenient ways for aspiring reptile enthusiasts to begin their journey with these fascinating and relatively docile creatures, offering a curated selection of essential supplies designed to create a suitable and enriching environment right from the start, ensuring a smooth and successful transition for both the new pet owner and the gecko itself. Number 5. Zoo Med Cavern Kit with Excavator. Get creative and build the perfect habitat for your pet. This kit provides everything you need to design unique spaces. Easily construct impressive caverns, tunnels, and shelters. The included substrate makes building simple and fun. This comprehensive kit includes excavator clay substrate, tunnel tubes, and various balloon sizes for creative structures. It also comes with a shovel and mixing bag. A full installation booklet is provided to guide you through the setup process. You'll have your pet's new home ready in no time. We are proud to say this product is made in the USA. Quality craftsmanship you can trust for your beloved pet. What we like. This kit allows for creative habitat building with its unique substrate. If you enjoy customizing your pet's environment and want to create a more naturalistic burrowing space, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for owners who want to provide a stimulating and engaging home for their reptiles. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including a heat lamp, substrate, and a hide. The tank is a good size for a juvenile leopard gecko and has plenty of ventilation. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. Number 4. Zilla 10-gallon Reptile Starter Habitat Kit. Introducing the ideal habitat designed specifically for your small desert-dwelling pets. It provides a comfortable and safe environment for them to thrive. The included terrarium liner is not only odor-fighting and non-abrasive but also treated with a biodegradable enzyme. This ensures a clean and healthy living space. Crafted with care, this glass tank is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in its durability and quality for your pet's home. This Desert Reptile Starter Kit comes with everything you need. It includes domes for heat and light, bulbs, a screen cover, a gauge, and a liner. Setting up your pet's new home is simple with the included setup guide. Provide them with the desert environment they deserve. Please note that UVB lighting may be required for some desert reptiles and is not included. Ensure your pet's specific needs are met for optimal health. What we like. This starter kit is specifically designed for small desert-dwelling animals. If you're setting up a home for a reptile that thrives in arid conditions and want a convenient all-in-one package with essential heating and lighting, this is a great option. The included liner also helps manage odors, making it a practical choice for any pet owner. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, making setup easy. The tank size is adequate for a young leopard gecko and provides enough space for enrichment. The heating element is effective in maintaining a proper temperature gradient within the enclosure. Number 3. Zilla 10-gallon Reptile Starter Habitat Kit. Introducing the ideal habitat designed specifically for your small tropical dwelling animals. This spacious 10-gallon terrarium provides a comfortable and secure environment for your pets. The included screen cover ensures your critter stays safely inside their new home. It provides fresh air circulation while keeping them secure and preventing escapes. This kit comes with a 5.5-inch reflective dome light fixture and a white spot bulb to provide essential lighting. It also includes a small heat mat for optimal temperature control. We've included a green terrarium liner for a clean look and a humidity temperature gauge to help you maintain the perfect environment. Everything you need to get started is right here. Your new habitat will arrive safely thanks to our reinforced packaging. We take extra care to ensure it reaches you in perfect condition, ready for your pet. What we like. Designed for tropical species, this kit provides the necessary components for a humid environment. If you are looking for a starter habitat for a tropical reptile or amphibian, this offers a good balance of ventilation and humidity control. The included heat mat is crucial for maintaining the warmth needed by these animals. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, making setup easy. The tank is a good size for a juvenile leopard gecko and comes with a secure lid. The heat lamp provides adequate warmth for the enclosure, creating a proper temperature gradient. Number 2. RunDuck Portable Foldable Terrarium Kit with Wheels. Observe your pet's every move through the transparent, sturdy panels. Crafted from durable materials, this enclosure is designed for long-lasting use. The front door design makes feeding a breeze, saving you time and effort. Open the lid wide for more intimate interaction with your beloved pet. Enjoy a comfortable and breathable environment thanks to the double-sided ventilation. This ensures your pet stays active and happy. With convenient pulley wheels at the base, it's easy to move. This design also raises the enclosure, protecting your floors from scratches. The top mesh allows for easy misting and humidity control. Its high-temperature resistant materials mean you can safely add a heating lamp. This terrarium is perfectly sized for snakes, lizards, tortoises, and leopard geckos, providing a comfortable home for your medium-sized reptile. What we like. This portable terrarium offers exceptional convenience with its built-in wheels and front access door. If you need a versatile enclosure that's easy to move and maintain, this is an excellent selection. The breathable design ensures a comfortable environment, and it's suitable for a variety of small reptiles, including leopard geckos. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, making setup easy. The tank size is appropriate for a juvenile leopard gecko, providing enough space for movement and enrichment. The heating element is effective in maintaining a proper temperature gradient within the enclosure. Number 1. Terra Glass Terrarium Kit 12x12x12. Introducing the Terra Glass Terrarium Kit, designed to provide a safe and comfortable environment for your reptiles and amphibians. This spacious enclosure offers ample room for exploration and enrichment. Ensure a healthy habitat with its patented front window ventilation system. This design promotes excellent air circulation, crucial for the well-being of your pets. The raised bottom frame not only adds to its aesthetic but also allows for the easy installation of a substrate heater. Its waterproof bottom provides peace of mind against leaks. Keep your pet secure with the escape-proof dual doors. They lock firmly in place, preventing any unwanted escapes and ensuring your peace of mind. Managing wires and tubing is a breeze thanks to the closable inlets. This feature helps maintain a clean and organized setup for your terrarium. Measuring 12x12x12 inches, this terrarium is perfectly sized for various setups. It's a versatile choice for many reptile and amphibian species. What we like. This glass terrarium features patented front ventilation and secure, escape-proof dual doors. If you prioritize safety and ease of access for cleaning and maintenance, this is a top contender. Its design is ideal for both reptiles and amphibians, offering a clear view while ensuring your pet stays safely contained. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, making setup easy. The tank size is appropriate for a young leopard gecko, and the included accessories are functional. The heating pad provides a consistent temperature gradient, which is crucial for leopard gecko health. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.